Dumpster rental service in California. Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in California? Reliable Dumpster Service provides top-notch roll-off dumpster rentals for residential, commercial, and construction projects across the state. Whether tackling a home renovation, cleaning out an office, or managing a construction site, we have the perfect dumpster for your needs. Our team understands that efficient waste removal is crucial to keeping your project on track. That's why we offer a hassle-free rental process with flexible scheduling, ensuring timely delivery and pickup. We provide a variety of dumpster sizes to accommodate different types of waste, from household junk to heavy construction debris. At Reliable Dumpster Service, customer satisfaction is our priority. Our knowledgeable team can always help you choose the right dumpster size and answer any questions. We also take an environmentally responsible approach by ensuring proper waste disposal and recycling whenever possible. Our services are designed to be affordable, with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what to expect. Don't let waste pile up and slow you down. Let us handle the cleanup while you focus on your project. Call Reliable Dumpster Service today at 916-420-4210, and let's get the right dumpster delivered to your location. Experience stress-free waste removal with a team you can trust.